Keywords with Peter and Jane. To be. Have a go. I like the dog. You like the dog. You and I like the dog. I like trees. You like trees. You and I like trees. You want toys. I want toys. You and I want toys. You like Peter. I like Peter. We like Peter. I like Jane. You like Jane. We like Jane. Here are shops. We like shops. We like toy shops. You can fish. I can fish. We can't fish. You want fun. I want fun. This is fun. This is Pat. I like Pat. Pat likes fun. We like this dog. Here is some water. I like the water. Here is Peter. And here is Jane. Here you are, Jane and Peter. Here is some water. Look in the water. You are in the water. Here is Peter. He likes water. He has the dog. The dog is in the water. He likes it. Jane has a ball. It is for Pat. Pat is here. He wants the ball. Here is a tree. Pat looks into the tree. He looks for Peter and Jane. They are in the tree. Look here, says Jane. Look here, Peter. Come and look. Peter comes and they look. Here are some sweets. Some are for Peter and some for Jane. They have some sweets. They like sweets. Peter wants to jump and Pat wants to jump. They jump for fun. Can you jump this? Says Peter to Jane. Yes, says Jane. Yes, I can jump this. I want to jump. Look, Peter, look. I can jump this. Peter and Jane go to the shop. They go into the shop. They go into the shop for some fish. Peter has the dog and Jane has the fish. The fish go into the water. Into the water they go. Pat wants the fish. No, Pat. No. says Peter. No, no, says Jane to the dog. Peter and Jane have fun. Here comes Peter, here comes Jane. Here they come, sweet like this, they say. Have a go, says Jane to Peter. Yes, says Peter. He has a go, you have a go, says Peter to Jane. Jane has a go. Have some, says Jane to Peter. Yes, says Peter. You have some, Jane, says Peter. Yes, I like it, Jane says. Here they go. Jane wants to go home. Peter wants to go home. And the dog wants to go home. Yes, we want to go home, they say.
The end.
The end. Thank you for watching. Bye.